Yo, what up, traders? It's a red day because of my commissions, but I actually made 10 bucks realized, but I'm trading with very small share size. So it's like some experimental thing. So, yep, let's see. Like I'm trading with these small share size because when I go with my real account, I am going to dial back on my share size. I'm gonna be trading between 100 and 150 shares when I go back live next week. I already deposited. I'm still only putting $600 in there because I want to try to grow this account. So I just put back the money I lost yesterday back into the account. So I'll be back at 600 and try to grow it back up. So, but today was a I don't say today was like an off day, but today I trade with 1-to-1 margins. All I got is like $400, 400 some dollars in my account. So I can't trade a lot of shares. And I kind of like that I did that because I want to, like, when I go to my real account, I'm gonna be trading 100 and 150 shares like this. Today was an experimental day to see if I can make money with the share size that I trade, and I can't. I got ate up by commissions. So all my trades were pretty good though. I'm making this video because I like the trades that I made, but just stay tuned. Like this first trade sucks though. So I jumped in here. I bid this stock was extremely too early. Why? Because it didn't clear these previous highs, previous low, previous high. That's kind of what I'm basing my strategy off now. That's what I changed it to. I'm trading more off market structure now. So this candle needs to break out and hold above a previous high, which was a previous support. And then it really needs to push up like towards the highs here, pull back to this previous resistance, previous support, and I take a bounce trade off that. So that is my strategy. It's just that this stock has not broken out yet of its range of this little range right here. See, it broke out but didn't hold, and it came back. So it came back here. I cut it off, and I didn't capture all of it there, but it was failed to bounce. See a little dip. I sell before the rip. So anyway, next trade, I sold before the dump. But anyway, next trade, got to push up to a resistance level here. Didn't break it, didn't clear, so I'm not taking the trade. So now I'm looking for a washout long to previous resistance turn support. Back here, this is a resistance. Now I'm trying to play a bounce off of it. So I'm just waiting for the pullback, waiting for the washout. I got two washout long plays in this video, and I'm gonna make sure I edit it out and add it to my washout long video, because I'm gonna come out with a video with just washout longs only and how to identify and stuff like that. So we get that pullback, but it's not deep enough, so I'm not entering right here. It has to breach. Like, it didn't really breach, but it has at least come by it towards it. Like, there was a little entry. It should have like maybe cracked it a little bit before I've gotten in there, but it got close to it, and the tape started acting light. The axe started lifting up, so that's why I got in right there at 626, 50 shares. Like I said, like next time it's gonna be 100 shares, 150 shares. I'm gonna do that until I get comfortable with trading my strategy. Like I was thinking about going small share size, but I got a comment on my video, and that just confirmed it for me. Like, yeah, I'm gonna go small. So it's not bouncing, but I have a stop loss. My stop loss is gonna be 15 cents. 15-cent stop loss, which is like way down here. I actually like this position that I'm in too. I feel like it's a good position because it came down to a level. I traded and it's bouncing, and now I have a defined risk. I can just sell below here. I have a stop loss, so like I know I'm not going to lose too much. So getting the bounce, nice little bounce. And I don't think I get it for the 36 cents. Look at the wall, 35, started stacking. Like, look at these numbers here on the X over here. Look at the wall. So I see that, and the fact that it is down ticking, the X is down ticking, and the tape is acting heavy. So I took it off right there. So you see that, like, my first trade, the first trade that I made, I was down like $7.50, something like that, and I lost $9 net PL. So I took a trade here. I got break even, but I still, because commission's so high, I still end up losing money on this trade, and that's because how it is, and that's how it's been all day today, because trading such small share size. So like I said, this is like an experimental day. All right, got the open. I missed this washout here. Excuse me, y'all. I missed this washout here, but it's whatever. It's cool. I try to play it back. But see how it pushed up here and didn't hold these highs? Even on the daily chart, it didn't hold. It's not daily chart, but it didn't hold these highs here. Right. So I played it. Now I want to play it back, like below. Like I want to see it dip below, hold at the VWAP, and that's where I plan on taking the trade. So I'm just waiting for that dip back, and I'm waiting for it because it did not clear highs. So next direction is down. Yeah, Cubs. You see how the kettle went down and then it stopped, like the flush stopped. It was like looked like it was finna flush and then it stopped. So I see that the candle's not really flushing down violently. Took a trade in. Took a trade at $17. I wanted to get in not at 17 before that. I'm gonna take 25 shares. Like I really shouldn't even been trading. Like 25 shares is not enough. Like I'm just gonna get ate up by commissions. So 25 shares, jumped in here at 17, and I got the rip. Quick little bounce, 10-cent bounce. Now I'm down 16. See, that trade made me lose $4. Even though I made money, that trade made me lose $4. So I won't, like next week, I will not be trading with 25 shares. I'm not trading with 50 shares. It's not worth it. I'll be losing money. Did the same thing again, jumped to 25 shares. Got a little squeeze. I had $19. I made $5. I'm down $19. But I do like the fact that I'm taking good trades, even though I'm losing money. But my trades are pretty good. They're like good setups. I'm not chasing. I'm not FOMOing. I'm waiting. I'm playing previous support off. I'm playing bounces off previous resistance. So that's the way I want to be trading. So there, I wait for a washout. Watch this washout. So we're gonna get a washout here. It's holding up, but I'm not taking the trade there because I see all those lines down here. Like I see these lines down here. So I want to take a trade down there. Here you go, washout. Boom. Jumped in there at 516. Y'all try to play a squeeze back up. Big number at 18, 101, but he's getting 8 through. Boom. Got through. Still holding. Like I'm gonna get the 10-cent rip, but that's a nice play right there. That's a nice washout long squeeze. I'm down $20. I think that's my last trade for the day. Yep, that's my last trade. So today was just an experimental day to see how I could trade with small share size, and I can't trade with 25 and 50 shares. So next week I'm gonna be dialing back my share size. It's gonna be from 100 to 150 shares. Thank you for watching this experimental video.